Alright, so the last video na here now we do reach. So this video now we're talking about now this button I want design now, then we'll go animate the style where they for inside the button. So what I'll do, I'll come here now, we'll already put the A for here now, I want to do our button. So I'll just come here, then this button now, so yeah, we'll get this discover where we already write for here now, for inside span tag. Then after the discover, we'll get this arrow right there now, so this long arrow. Then we'll get this circle. So this circle now, so yeah, now CSS now what to do the circle now. We'll go use I think we'll go use after now. We'll use after to run this one. So what I go do after this span now, I'll come down here. I'll see i.fas, then fa long arrow right. See all these things, so like a sheet. That is so you do see all the different type of codes there, or the different type of icons now for inside their website. So if you visit their website, go observe them. You get, you're gonna go observe them. Okay. So I'll come and refresh now, and my button there. So I just style the button sharply now. I just style and which one side first. So that will do. I'll copy Reggie's place now. Hey, this thing does start. No, I don't do this thing. Then a.btn discover. So I'll give background color. What's the color first? Oh, pick here. Okay. So background color, ash this. Then the border. What's the border color? The border color is the same color now. So we'll pick this one. Copy this guy. So border will be 1 pixel. Now 2 pixel solid. Ash this. Then more just pad. We'll see padding. 10 pixel for the top right, bottom left 30 pixel. Then border radius go be like 30 pixel first. We'll see where is the code they go. Also, the font family be Mada. Then text decoration, it could be none. And we'll transform the text now. Uppercase, color, normally now, white. Then font size could be 14 pixel. Okay, so I'm leave it like this. Go back to my browser, refresh. This production, we suppose shift and count that smaller. That's what I'll do. Come here, margin bottom 50 pixel. Go back, refresh. Okay. You see now I should see this 1985 now. it misbehave. So more you leave our made a misbehave anyhow. By the time we don't do everything we want to finish we will position our way. Made a misbehave. Let's want to shift now there our mind first. So I'll come here. I'll see. What's this button? You later the space out. And I want tight. So I go space the letter out here. Come here, just see later spacing. Not supposed to be big like that now. But 5 pixels. Refresh and the space out for me. But this button here, a big part is our own one kind. Then the text got it smaller. If you observe and well, our own text here big one kind. So if you reduce and share bets, more level like more they do what do they do? So I'll come here quickly now. Yeah? I'll target the you know what? More just target the text. We'll target the text. I'll see span. That means this one was target. I'll just this discover now. So because you know see it did for inside span tag now. So more target I'll delete all this one so there. Then padding right will be 5 pixels. Because we'll go animate them. Then position will be relative. So more refresh more see. Okay. So space dot there now. So space dot there. So do more create that circle already there. So I'll duplicate this one, then I'll come out this span. I'll just see after. So content now gonna be empty with the double quotes. The double quote now. Then height could be 30 pixels. We'll give them border radius now. Height could be 30 pixels based on if you see this place now. I'll put 30 pixels for you now. So more just follow this one now. Height could be 30 pixels. I want to increase myself. Might go to like 45. Let's see first. 45, 30. I see the same thing, sure. So might just leave her to be 30. So this one height now, say 30 pixels. Or duplicate, I'll say width. Then border radius go be 50%. Then the border now white now. 2 pixel solid white, which is HFFF. Then background, that background is transparent. So we'll find out our transparent for you. This one. We'll copy them. We'll paste on here. Go by my view this thing. Why it be like this? We'll make this flex the display of this button. So come here, I'll say button discover. Display inline flex. Because I want all of them, so all of them aligned for the same. See this one aligned for the same time also. So they just the centralize horizontally now. That's for this angle. You know horizontal now. So I'll come here, display inline flex, then align items, center. So more run and give us more see. Okay, that'll come up now. So We'll put 50 here. Might got like 20. But that thing will show small. You know, still show. Show us what this in well. So I'll go back and observe the code. Height, border radius, color 255 to 255. Multiplication. Then might make a white face. Or might make a yellow. We'll see. Now still come up. What do they do wrong now? Let's spread the elements. After span, this I7 we're supposed to target time. We'll animate them, so if we give a position, we'll target this I. We're supposed to animate and give a position relative. So btn I. Because we push her from left to right, so we need to give a position relative so that we utilize that thing. Okay, but more go out to debugging this thing. Why this one call it like this now? Let's see. My nose really disturb me this evening. After background, you be like a PCI. Just imagine. I'm not nervous about it. So I say the B. Background color. Call the one that's issue. I don't fuck up. Well, let me do the format by myself again. It'll come up now. So cancel that one, come out there. So now, one of the show that if we hover on this button, this discover now, so it will push confronts while this triangle, this arrow now, so it go enter here. It go enter here, which half it go change the color. Then the whole of this circle now go turn to white. Now it don't want to be that now. So to do one, I will get to animate the CSS properties there now. So the first one will go animate. We'll first work with it with that discover. We'll first work with that one. So I'll come here. I'll say by the time we hover on that button, by the time we hover on this button discover, so we too what may happen. We want to create this animation. So I'll just give him more color. Discover text or anim btn discover text. Then the animation, it could be 250 milliseconds. Linear forwards. So by this forwards now, me see by the time you reach that state now, I know the job come back again. When I'll see and sure. Then I'll come here, I'll see at keyframes. Keyframes of this animation. Then we'll see we want to animate from left, which is 0 pixel, I'll put my semicolon. So 10 pixel. So what refresh I'm see. So we'll hover now. Suppose animate. What are we doing? Comma see. Okay. Think this in this span now, be? Okay, now the span. So now this is discover test how they animate now. So we just target this one before now making the misbehaviors now. So I'll refresh now. Then you see when we hover our mouse, and see it push. So once you just it go push, this one for you now, it go see push too. So I'll come my CSS, I'll duplicate this guy. Then let's say so instead of discover text, I'll say discover icon. Still leave the forward here too. Then I'll duplicate this code here. I'll just copy this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then we'll say from 0 pixel, it animates to 24 pixel to 24 pixels to the left. Then we'll make a big small, so we'll transform this left self. If we use translate, say so this left all the user. And yeah, I'm using the color as a big. I'll say scale 2x2. 2x2 wood. Like the floor crease. See color. The color will change to that same pink. That means this one for the button. So we'll copy and we'll paste down for here. See ya. So we'll go back more refresh, more see. Refresh and okay. So you see on the enter bit this circle now need to turn to white. So more animate the circle too now. I'll come back. I'll duplicate this one. Then instead of icon, I'll say after, because the after one animate so now. I'll say after. What I'll do. Duplicate this one. So see Ctrl V. Then we'll say it could change from this color now already and also like this white already transparent now. The background color will change from there. If I'm gonna copy the footing, it will change to the full flesh color. So more just put white. If you actually come on this yeah, actually, I'm gonna use white. I beg. So we'll do run now. By the time I come here, I refresh now. What I'll do after? Okay, instead of the I, we'll see after. Yeah? No, we'll put over then before the after, like this. So I'll go back, refresh. See how. So that forward tells you there now to make sure say as a V-share it will stop, because if we not put the forward now, you see if I'm just showing a sharp come out some. You see how they go back. You see how they go back. So now we need to put this forwards now. Get. So we'll do this button now. The button is all fresh for us now. So more safety remain. Now to put the motor for you, then put this navigation for you. But we'll go end this video for you. Then in the next video now we'll just put this motor, then put this navigation for this place now. So
As with the end also, you know how they be now. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment if you get anything to ask question like that. Then I'll see you for the next video now.